Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite Korean side dishes, Marinated Salmon Sashimi or Yeonuhjang. So let's get started. First we're going to prep our sauce ingredients. Cut and peel your onion into small chunks, quarter your green onion and halve your Thai chilies. Grab a small pot and add sugar, mirin, soy sauce, water, and your prepared veggies. We're going to set this over medium heat and bring it to a boil. Let it boil for about 2 minutes and then we're going to remove from heat, strain, and let it cool completely. While the sauce cools, let's take the other half of our onion and finely chop it. I used a mandolin. Add a small layer of onion to the bottom of a container. Now let's take our lemon and slice it into thin circles. Next, slice your salmon into about a 1/4 inch thick pieces. We're going to add these salmon pieces to our container with the onion. Now let's pour over our completely cooled sauce. Finally, top it off with your sliced lemon. We're going to cover this and let it marinate for at least 3 hours and up to 1 day. I like to serve my marinated salmon on top of a bed of rice, topped with sliced onion, radish sprouts, and egg yolk. Enjoy!